Before I start the video, this is my first time using this camera. It's a new camera and probably the focusing is off. I am not sure. I haven't edited yet. But please be patient until I learn how to use it very well. So let's get on with the video. So I'm going to start by pushing my hair back. And the first thing that I'm going to start is with my eyes. And I have here the Pure Festival palette. And it comes with a sample of a Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. So let's try that out. Very sticky. And it also came with 3 brushes. Here they are. It came with a small contouring, a large shader, and a small shader brush. We're gonna use those. And let's check. Let's see what we can do with our eyes. Let's start with the Epic right here in the corner. I'm gonna be using right here as a transition shade. Or actually, you know what? I'm gonna go more intense. Let's just use this Wild Child. Let's be wild today. You could actually feel like the gripping primer like grip your brush. Like you have to grip it hard, because if not, it's gonna stop it. Look at how blotchy it is. But it's because of the primer. I know it's because of the primer. I could feel it. It doesn't let like the color consistently glide. Probably if I would have set it or something like that, it would have worked better, but too late. Now I'm gonna be very bold. We're gonna go back to that pink afterwards, but I am gonna use this gypsy purple color right here. And I'm gonna put it in the inner corner. Instead of the outer, I'm gonna put it in the inner. Really pack it in. Oh my god. There is some fallout. And now on my outer corners, I'll be putting this Fireworks glitter one right here. Let me use this one. Now I got this box early this month, but unfortunately I had a sty in my eye and I didn't want to put any makeup on it, make sure it, you know, healed properly. Wait, this is very glittery. It moves around. Like if you feel it, it's like jelly, like a putty. It's amazing. Let me just use my finger. And got some here. And try to get right to the center of the eye. There you go. Type it on. It's gonna go everywhere. Like literally it goes everywhere. I'm gonna use the pink brush that I used, and I'm just gonna go a little bit over it. Just enhance that pink right here. And on the other side. And then the purple again, just right there. Now I'm just gonna wipe away the ones that fell off, or as much as I can, because this is not gonna come off. And I'm gonna use, you know, I'm just gonna use, I'm gonna use this shader brush, and I'm gonna use the color Epic. There is a bunch of noise today. And I'm just gonna like blend it out, just make blend it out as much as possible. And then in my bottom line, I'm just gonna probably do the same thing, pink and then purple. And then I'm gonna use again the Epic color right here just to blend it out. I'm gonna be using this Free Spirit color right here in the corner right here. There you go. Now in this month's box, I got a Lashholic, some lashes. So I'm gonna put those on. I'm gonna prepare them. I already have I put an eyeliner on, and eyeliner on the waterline just halfway, and on top just simple. I suck at doing eyeliner, so I work with what I can do. While those are drying a little bit, I'm gonna be using this small contouring brush for my bronzer. I like it for up here, from my forehead. just because sometimes I use a big brush and it doesn't go where I want it to go. It goes way more down than I usually do it. So this is nice. I know this is not a typical normal look with the glitter and the outside, but you know what? Makeup is to play around with. And I think it's great when people just do whatever they want with makeup. It's amazing what they can do. Now, the lashes. Let's let the eyelash glue dry. So I am almost done. I added a lipstick, the one that I always use, which is the MAC Velvet Teddy, and I put some blush, which is the Note in the color Desert Rose, and I added some highlight just because I have this product here, which is a highlight. It's Purple Dreams, but for me it is too glittery. Like, it's just like glitter. Like, you can't notice that, but I feel like it's a lot of glitter. And for the face, obviously it's gold. I'm adding more like silver toned. So I'm just gonna try this on my body, like a little bit. Let me see a brush. Just around here. Let me see, highlight. I can't see. I don't know, but you can see it a little bit right here. See it. It's beautiful. I think it's nice. But what I'm wearing, it's a little bit more silvery toned. Anyways, I'm gonna add a little bit more of mascara to my lashes just so they could be together. And I'm gonna finish off with the last thing in my box, which is a holographic holographic lipstick. I don't think it's holographic, it's iridescent, but I'm gonna use it as a topper. Let me just put my hair down and I'll show you the final look. So here is the final results of the look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, share with friends, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!